Hello friends, welcome to RES. Today we are going to learn our next lesson 1.3 on wings of courage. This lesson is very important for exam purpose. So I want to give 4 stars here because many topics are covered here, just like writing skill, different kind of grammar topics are also covered here. So it is very important for exam purpose. Today we are going to see warming up section also. See first question. The rank of officer in the Indian Army, Navy and Air Force are jumbled up. Discuss with your group and put them in the appropriate boxes. It is very simple. If you will find on net, if you will find search somewhere, you will get the answer. Okay, there are 3 different sections: Army, Navy and Air Force. Which words or which topics are related to that section you have to write down. So I am going to answer you. The first, Army section, Brigadier, Major, this is actually Colonel, Field Marshal, Lieutenant and Lieutenant General. It is the spelling of Colonel. Pronunciation is different and the spelling is different. Same here, Lieutenant. In Navy section, Commander, Vice Admiral, Admiral of Fleet, Commodore, Rear Admiral. Now related to Air Force, Wing Commander, Squadron Leader, Air Marshal, Flying Officer, Air Commodore. Today we started with the help of warming up. There is reason that there are 2 very important topics related to grammar, homophone or homograph. We learned this in 9th standard also, but still I want to revise this topic. What do you mean by homophone? Homophone is a word that is pronounced the same as another, sound alike, but which differs in the meaning, and just spellings are different, but its pronunciations are same. For example, week, W-E-E-K, second week, W-E-A-K, week. Pronunciations are same, but meanings are different. See the example of textbook. First example is wear, wear. Pronunciations are same, but meanings are different. First here, second here, spellings are different. Okay, try to make at least by yourself first, then I will solve it. I will answer you if you have any problem here. Okay, the second here, second question, B section. Write what the underlined homograph in the following sentences mean. See here, there are some words which are underlined. Actually, in these sentences spellings are same, but the meanings are different. Okay, I will explain the first example. In first sentence, a bear is an omnivorous animal. In this sentence, bear is the name of a large heavy animal. Okay, in the second sentence you will see bear. Here bear means to tolerate. Okay, you have to find out the different meaning of these words and write down in front of this sentence. Okay, it is very simple to find out, and it is very simple to write down the meaning. After solving these 2 questions based on homophone and homograph, read the whole lesson at once, because there are so many different things. Just I told you before that there is writing skill also. There are different kind of questions related to expansion of ideas, related to fact file, related to phrases. So when you will read this lesson at once, you will come to know very easily about the questions, about the meaning of this particular lesson. I will come soon. Till then, solve these answers and send on group. If any problem, ask me there. I will send the pics also on group. I am going to send the first example of each on group. It will be easy for you to solve it. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.